Tornado lifted van. 2 lifted vans, one on a Well-Tech lift and one on an Action Van lift. Both have the same size tires. 2 more right here.
You can get a cross breeze.
Got a sink going.
Yeah, and a sink.
A stove.
And a stove, absolutely, yeah, right.
So it's the best of both worlds. It's an RV, and now that it has a Larry special Action Van lift, you could do some off-roading, find a remote camp spot.
And super comfortable driving.
Yeah, exactly.
What a difference with the lift. The drive is just 100% better.
And what we did right now, I'll probably upload this video before the animal sculpture one, but we checked out the animal sculptures in Anza-Borrego. Yeah, he followed me, we were just cruising.
Yeah, that was great. I got Larry set me up with that Detroit locker. We were testing them out. That's another episode you're going to do, I imagine.
Yes, sir.
Detroit locker with 411 gears, so everything lines up. My speedo, everything's perfect.
Yeah, and you, like you said, you just love driving this thing.
Yes, yes.
Facebook Marketplace put this van in my recommendations yesterday, and this is the first picture you see on the ad. So I look at it, and right away I thought it was my friend Stefan's van because he drives one of these and he's in Long Beach. So right away I said, oh man, is Stefan selling his van? So I click on the ad, I look at it, it looks just like his van. I said, oh man, it's his van. Click on it again, and then I saw it and I said, okay, no lift, it's not his van. So I texted him today and I said, hey man, I thought you were selling your van, and I got sad. So let's take a look at the Pleasureway Traverse, $20,000. Check it out. It looks a lot, I like the decal a lot. It looks a lot like a Sportsmobile, and look at that price, $20,000. Someone buy this van, take it to Action Van Suspension, and get it lifted for $3,500. You'll have a van just like my friend Stefan. I need to get that. I need to get that dashboard, the fake wood. Do they use fake wood on these Pleasureways, or do they actually use real wood? Regardless, I like it. So the difference between the Pleasureways and the Sportsmobiles is the roof opens up like a VW, not both sides. But my friend, he's like 6'4", and he could stand in this section. So there you go. It's like a alternative to a Sportsmobile. Get this lifted. You got yourself a sweet ride, very homely inside. I really like the interior. So Stefan told me these are made in Canada, so I wonder how good the insulation is, since it's a Canada-based company. So what is this thing?
It's a E250 Ford, and it's Canadian made. They put some. They made it into a Class B motorhome, but you can hardly tell from the outside. I just popped the top up at the moment.
Great once the weather cools down. Man, it's just unfortunate that we had a unexpected heat. Oh yeah, that's quick.
Yeah, no, it's really easy. You just pull it down, let it all drop down. Poof, there you go. You tuck in the curtain so it doesn't stick outside of the thing. 2 clips.
Yeah, nice.
And you're secure.
And that's the cool thing about a van, because you could sleep anywhere in quick setup.
Yes.
And you just walk between your seats. There's your living area.
It's perfect. And I have a little curtain. I use this. I leave this here, and I have a little. It's black. You cover up the front here. No one knows if you're even back here snoozing.
Nice.
Because I use this a lot for work, so it's perfect for.
So you're headed to the coast now?
Yes, heading out to Oceanside, then drive up north from Oceanside when it's dark back to Long Beach.
Nice. Yeah. Thank you for showing me your van, man.
It was a great time. Thank you, John.